Probably the hardest part of Project Spearhead has been explaining Project Spearhead. It all started in the spring of 2013, after the Oculus Rift had been successfully kickstarted and had begun to ship to backers. Austin Booker, Alex Loughran, Frank Hamilton, and Tashara Arora pitched an idea to the faculty at the Entertainment Technology Center at CMU. They wanted to spend a semester experimenting with several small prototype Oculus Rift games. At that time, most of the excitement surrounding the Oculus was focused on ports of existing games like Team Fortress 2 and Doom 3, and on a few smaller indie titles being developed for the device. All of these were first-person titles. The basis of Project Spearhead was, at the very beginning, a desire to figure out what else the Oculus was good for, besides first-person gameplay. The basis of Project Spearhead was, at the very beginning, a desire to figure out what else the Oculus was good for besides first-person gameplay. Our main goal was to create games that defied the current model of virtual reality gaming, which we defined as a strict adherence to both realistic immersion and first-person POVs. The hope was that by creating more abstract games for the Oculus, we can open up and increase the device's potential. We began by first testing with the device to learn what we could before starting on our prototypes. These tests were separated into 4 categories: gesture test, art tests, control variation tests, and motion tests. At the end of our testing period, we began working on 6 prototypes. Our first 2 prototypes were Space B-Ball and Third Person Rig. The next 2 were Headless Horseman and Rift Swarm. Our final prototypes were the Rift of Wall Street and prototype number 6. In December of 2013, we will be releasing all of our prototypes online and open sourcing our code.